Joe Beermaster. We have a 2009 Jeep Liberty. This goes for multiple years. And we're doing a video on a sky slider. I've done another video on how to repair it. Usually the cable snaps on the inside and it becomes loose in the front and water gets in there. On this one, this is a follow-up video to the other ones I've done. This one it's not worth it to replace it, because if you replace it, it just breaks and it costs about $2,000. This one came loose in the back. So we're going to do it the same way. We're going to put a bead of urethane around. We're sand and clean it, put a bead of urethane around, then we're going to put screws in to hold it down. This one's different because the front is holding. And if you look on the inside, you'll see the water's coming in on the sides. All along here. This is a disgrace, really. So I'm going to put a bead of silicone in there to once I get it stretched out and screwed down. We're going to put a bead of silicone in there. So I'm going to do it the same way as I did the front, but it's going to be on the back. It's better to be loose on the back because water's not driving underneath. Alright, so we're going to clean this all up so the urethane will stick. Using some heavy grit sandpaper. You gotta give it something to grab to. I'm going to go all the way around. Put the urethane bead along here. We're going to do it on the outer edge, both sides. Put 4 or 5 along the back here. Alright, so we got it in there real good.
I'm going to pull that brook hit.
Now we're going to do a little silicone or some window urethane around the sides and the front. And that should do it and take care of it. Joe Beer.
Got a gap right here.
I'll get it filled up as much as we can. You stay along that outer edge, it won't go on the inside. Don't be afraid to be generous with it. Right. Okay, you can stop. You could actually put some screws in the sides.
I wouldn't go that far, because most of the water would be hitting the front and then just traveling to the back. Are you done?
Master. Thanks for watching again.